Hello guys, welcome to our playlist of Android app development. In today's video, we are going to see basics of Java, what are data types of Java, what are variables in Java, and basics. So Java is an amazing object-oriented programming language. In this Java, we can use like classes, objects. That's why it is an object-oriented language, just like C++. We will use Java to create our Android apps for logic building for our Android app. So, first of all, when we run the Java program, the execution of the Java program starts from the public static void main string arguments. I will tell you what this all about. So, public is an access specifier. There are different kind of access specifiers, just like public, private, protected. So, we state that it is a public and accessible to all. Static is used for the constant variable. So, we tell this is a constant. This class as a constant. So here void is used to tell that this function returns nothing. And here main is a name of the function. All the Java program execute from the main function. And here we pass the arguments as string. And we can write here any code we want. So I will show you that in our Java code. So as we can see, if we'll run this code, it will basically the compiler will understand that he has to start execution from this main function. Public static void main string argument. So, first of all, to print something on the console in Java, if we want to print hello world, then we have to write system.out.println hello world. I will show you in the live execution of code. So here I will write system.out.println hello world. So if I will run this code, here we can see that our output is hello world. So we can use here only print also, but println is used for the new line. So every time a output is printed in the new line. So what are comments in Java? Comments are used to write text which does not execute. When we are running our code, the compiler understood that he has to execute this line. But if what we have to write some comments, the above line is for printing. But how the compiler will know it is a comment? So we have to give double slash. So now this compiler will not run this. I will execute this. So it is also giving the same output. The compiler ignores this line as it is a comment. So it is a single line comment. If you want to use 2-3 lines or multiple line of comment. Hello guys, my YouTube channel. So here I have write the 2 lines of comments. So here we cannot use this single line commenter. So we use the slash star and ended by the slash star. I will run this code and again it is a multi-line comment, so it does not give any error. And these are comments in Java. So what are data types in Java? Data types are different values that can be stored in a variable. We can create a different data types having a name just like a variable. So there are different type of data types: strings, integer, float, boolean, and many more just like decimal and double. So these are all the data types. For example, here we have created string action now, int marks, bool is log. I will show you in the real life example. If I created int marks equal to 10, so it is a data type having the integer as a data type as integer. So if what if I will try to print the value of marks. So guys, as you all know, I have assigned the marks as 10. So we have to receive output as 10. So here we can see it is giving output as 10. What if I will create a string data type with variable as name and I have passed it as values as Sahil. So if I will print on the console what is the value of name, so it should have given the Sahil. Yeah, we can see that. So these are the different type of data type, and in Boolean we have two values, true and false. So strings in Java are immutable, cannot be changed. So once we declared a string, just like here I have declared with Sahil, so it cannot be changed in Java. For further, we will see what are variables in Java. Variables are buckets in Java. For example, int marks equal to 10 we have just now written in the code. So here marks is a variable. And for many more example, here we can see here name is a variable. Here marks is a variable. These are the variables. So there are some rules defined in the Java so that compiler should know. Variable name must always start with the letters and underscore and followed by letters and numbers. So the variable name cannot be start with the numbers. It always should have start with the letters and underscore. Just now I have started it with the numbers, so we can see the compiler will give here error. So here it is throwing error, but if we only give marks 1, 2, 3, so we can see it will be compiled successful. So these are the some of the rules for variables. So in the next video, we are going to see more basics of the Java, just like operators, for loop, if else, and what are arrays in Java. So thank you guys and stay tuned for the next videos.